Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Here with the Denver market update for this week. Inventory rose a little bit, touched 13,000. Hasn't been there in a while. We're still about 4.5 months of supply. Usually they say market's at parity with 6 months supply. So we're getting there. If you've been out looking at homes, you noticed some price drops, so people still pricing their homes over the market. But newly listed around that 1,700, under contract just at 1,500. So buyers still out looking, still getting homes under contract. The story, as we've been talking about the past several weeks, is the inflation. It's driven the 30-year fixed rate over 6 now. Hasn't been there for quite a while. So it'll be interesting what the Fed does tomorrow. The consensus is they'll raise rates 0.75%. So it'll be a surprise if they do more or less, either way. The last CPIs I reported last week was 8.2 to 8.3%, which was actually better than prior 2 months. Next one will come out around October 10th. But I'm curious of what you guys are hearing out there. You know, a lot of news headlines, they like to grab our attention of, it's market crash, rates are sky high, haven't been this high in forever. Inflation hasn't been this high since the 80s. So definitely curious what you're feeling, what you're thinking. I'd like to hear that. One thing I like to do with my clients is to get behind the scenes, look at the MLS that agents have access to. We can look at your neighborhood, your area, see what's really happening. Are prices really dropping? You know, if you compare them to last year, the notion is they're still up from where homes were sold this time last year. So yeah, if you want that information, just reach out, call, text, or email, and I'll get it over to you. Otherwise, have a great week, and see you next time.